Okay, so I've been trying like hell to figure out why this is only running on 3 cylinders. It's a 97 Civic EX, the D16Y8 v-tec motor. Blah 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 blah. So, and it looks like shit because it's been sitting for a while. We have a cylinder 2 misfire. I took the cap off. The contact points were a little corroded and nasty and shit. I cleaned it up. Still having cylinder 3 misfire. Brand new spark plugs. Still have a cylinder 2 misfire. I tested the spark plug wires with a meter and it all said they were good. Well, the wires are good, but here's the real problem. I finally found what's wrong with this damn thing. When I pull any other plug that's working properly, the motor runs like shit. And hopefully you can hear that clicking sound. You can actually hear it making spark. Plug it back in, car runs better. Hear it clicking? You can't see the spark though. Maybe a little. The difference is, this is the cylinder that's misfiring constantly. Notice it's much harder to get off. Ugh. Oh God. No clicking sound, but you can see the spark. The spark is coming out the side of the boot. Yeah, see those cracks? I mean, really it looks okay except for those little cracks. That's gotta be it. You know what? I just noticed something. Did you notice it? What's the difference between all these and that one? Oh my God. Never mind the cracks. I think I found the real problem. Which is why this is so hard to get off. Oh my God. The other ones don't have this. That's the nice little rubber piece in a spark plug socket that helps you pull the socket out without the spark plug out without a magnet. That is not supposed to be in there. Ow. Hot. What the fuck is that? Is that part of it? It's like, well, none of the others had it. Ugh. Nope. See? How much you want to bet this fucking car works perfect now? That is the inside of a spark plug socket. The rubber grabs the top of the spark plug, so when you pull the socket out, the spark plug comes with it. Now, I don't know if that's going to work, because look how fucked up it is. But it's going to at least work better. And that was the fucking problem. That was the real problem. Let's see what happens now. Still running like shit, because now that boot's all fucked up. But it's a lot easier to get off now. Yeah, see, it's all fucked up. You still see the spark, and it's not a loud clicking sound. Like that. I thought I was going to fix it for free by removing that, but this was the problem. That's not supposed to be in there. That is not part of it. That came out of a spark plug socket. I just never even paid attention. I don't think it's out of any of my sockets. I'm pretty sure that's there from before, because actually the socket I used to remove the plugs didn't have one of these. But since that was rammed in there for God knows how long, now that boot is all fucked up, so I'm gonna have to buy new wires after all. But at least I know what the fuck's wrong with the car now. Alright, I got new plug wires on now, so let's see what happens. Problem solved. And good to go.